Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. In today's video we are going to discuss about general commands for AutoCAD. These are some of the commands which can be frequently used in your drawing workflow to improve your overall efficiency. You might be familiar with many of these commands, but there are also some commands which are really helpful, still they remain largely unused. Count. This command is useful for counting number of blocks in your drawing. It reports the number of each instance of block used in the drawing along with its name. To count the block, it should be visible in the drawing area. T-Stexp. Using this command you can convert single line as well as multi-line text into geometries. Sline, XL. Using this command you can make infinite lines starting from the point of selection. When you trim or break this infinite line to a finite length, it becomes a simple line geometry. Point, PO. This command makes a single point geometry in the drawing. To modify the type of point created by this command, you can use Type command and choose the desired point type from Point Style window. RevCloud. Using this command you can make AeroVision cloud geometry by freehand sketching. Sketch. You can make a freehand sketch using this command. You can use line, polyline, or spline as the object type for making this freehand sketch. Multiple. If you want to repeat any command without pressing Enter key, then use multiple command. To cancel repetition of command, press ESC key. Copy. Use this command to copy nested objects from a block or XREF without exploding them. Cal. Using this subcommand you can perform calculations directly on the AutoCAD command line even when you are in the middle of a command. You can start this subcommand by entering cal. Don't forget to add an apostrophe before cal while running any other command. Burst. Explodes the block containing attributes, retaining the attribute setting and its layer definition. This is especially helpful if you want to retain the text of attribute after exploding the block. ArcText. This command can be used to write arc-aligned text in AutoCAD. You can use this command to even write text aligned to a circle. SP. Using this command you can check the spelling of selected text and correct the spellings from Check Spelling window. Oops. This command can be used to restore the last deleted object in your drawing. After deleting an object, if you made many other changes in the drawing and realized that you might need to restore the deleted object, then simply type oops and press enter. Space. This command can be used to change the space of an object from model space to paper space and vice versa. See the image shown below for reference. Divide. You can use this command to divide any 2D geometry into many equal parts. At each point of division, a point geometry will be added on the 2D curve. Rename. If you need to rename any named object like layer, block or line type, simply use this command to rename it. Break. This command can be used to break 2D geometries at 1 or 2 points. It is helpful if you want to break a curve at the point of intersection with other curve, or if you want to create a gap by breaking a part of the geometry. Time. Using this command you can find a lot of information about your drawing, like the date when the drawing was created and total editing time consumed on the drawing. Select. This command can be used to make the selection from your drawing with filters. As an example, you can use Quick Select to make a selection set containing all circles of the drawing with the radius of a particular value. D. This command can be used to find the distance between 2 points in the drawing. Copy base. Paste clip. You can paste the copied objects from clipboard to your drawing using this command. If you use copy base to copy the objects, then you will be able to paste it in the same or another drawing with the selected base point. Base. Using this command you can change the base point of a drawing without changing its origin. This is especially helpful in the situation where you want to insert the drawing into another as AXREF. By default, AutoCAD takes origin as the base point, which can be modified using this command without changing the origin. List. Using this command you can find lots of properties of an object, like the layer they are on, area, length or radius, perimeter or circumference, and a lot more. To use this command, simply type list on the command line, then press enter and select the object from drawing area about which you want to know and press enter again. Dim. This command was introduced in AutoCAD 2016 version, and it can be used to make most of the dimensions like linear, aligned, radius, diameter and baseline. To access this command you can use Dim command or select the Dim tool from Dimensions panel of Annotate tab. Tolerance. If you want to add feature control frame representing tolerance-related information in your drawing, then you can use this command. Scale text. Using this command you can change the scale of existing text or text object in the drawing. To use this command, type scale text on the command line, press enter and select the text from drawing area and press enter again. Now select existing option from the command line and then select scale factor option and then type the scale in which you want to convert the text height and press enter. When the scale of these text entities are changed, the base point will remain fixed. Prefix. If you have a drawing open in AutoCAD and you don't know the location where it is saved, you can simply type prefix command to look it. This command can be used to quickly find the location of XREFs attached in the drawing. Just. Using this command you can change the text justification of text and text elements in the drawing. Units. Using this command you can set the drawing units and other settings like the precision of linear and angular dimensions and default rotation angle. ML. Using this command you can make a multi-line geometry which contains multiple parallel lines. Insert. You can insert a block or a drawing as a block in the table using this command. You can also fit the block in the table cell and also justify its location automatically with Insert dialog box. I have made a simple table by importing blocks of Design Center as shown in the image below. Mirror text. By default, AutoCAD does not mirror text in the drawing, but if you want to mirror the text of your drawing, then change the value of mirror text system variable to 1. Orient. Using this command you can reorient text entities in best readable position. In the image A below, the text is oriented at different angles, and in some of the situations, the text is not properly readable. Whereas in image below, orient command has been used to make the text readable for all angles. Area, as the name suggests, this command can be used to find the area of closed or open shapes in the AutoCAD drawing. ID. This command can be used to find the coordinate values of a point in AutoCAD drawing. Insert. Using this command you can insert existing blocks of a drawing as a rectangular array component. An array added using insert command can't be exploded. Boundary. Using this command you can extract closed boundaries from any enclosed area. This boundary can be used to find the area of the enclosed region or for many other applications. In the image below, the boundary of the area mentioned as A has been extracted as a polyline using boundary command. Dim rotated. This command can be used to make a dimension line inclined to a particular angle with respect to the positive side of the x-axis. In the example shown below, the dimensions are made with dim rotated command. Break line. You can use this tool to make a break line symbol on a line. Type break line on the command line and press enter, then click on scale option of the command line and apply an appropriate scale to the break line. Select the starting and end points of the break line, then click at any point on the line to specify the location of break line, or directly press enter to place it exactly at the center of the line. TXT to MTXT. Using this command you can convert a text object into a text object, and you can also combine multiple separate text objects into a single text unit. Saveal, as the name suggests, this command can be used to save all of the open drawings in AutoCAD window. Thanks for watching. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.